We bought this cat tower, easy assembly. The instructions are very easy to follow. I love the fact that the illustrations are actually very clear. The labels on everything, very easy to follow. Really the only time-consuming part is just assembling it. But really looking forward to be able to get it all put together and to be able to have the cats enjoy it.
Nice.
Has all the different features, this nice plush carpeting, then has the scratching hemp rope on it as well, little baskets, shelves. That's what it's going to look like when it's all done. But yeah, it feels really sturdy, really solid, real easy to be able to put together. Looking forward to having this for years and years.
You're so cute, little cat.